Okay, so what's going on, guys? This is Satvik and you're watching Satvoholic. So in this video I will tell you how to create some awesome hover effect for your buttons using only HTML and CSS. Like this, this or this. You can see it is changing its border radius, font size, and yeah. So let's start creating this. Okay, so it is my index.html and it is my style.css. So I'm using Sublime Text as my text editor. You can use brackets, Atom, Sublime Text, Notepad++, Notepad, and I don't know. Okay, so HTML tab. Okay, so you'll give title as hover effects. Okay, then we will sorry. Yeah, then we will link our index.html to our style.css. It is in my CSS folder and name is style.css, and I hope you have basic understanding of HTML and CSS. Okay, so now we will create a div tag, whatever you say, in our body. Yeah, and we will give okay, and class is random. Okay, so now we will create 4 buttons. Okay, and we will call it as button 1. Okay, and we will give class as btn. Okay, btn1. Okay, because we will have different styling for different buttons. So let's control v, control c, control v. I'm lazy. Oh yeah, that's it. Oops. Okay, so let's rename this thing. Button 2, button 3, button 4, 2, 3 and 4. Okay, let's see the change. Okay, so I have to open this thing in our browser. Yeah, you can see pretty basic buttons, no styling or any hover effect or anything else like this. So we'll make this white thing look like this awesome thing. Okay, so let's start styling it. Okay, body should be background. Okay, background color should be black. You can use RGB values or anything else. I'm using here black. Okay, then dot random. Okay, the padding at top should be 22%, not px. Yeah, then display should be flex. Okay, first of all I will okay, you can see the change here with background color black and padding at top with 22%. Okay, yeah, and okay, and we will give display as flex. You can see the effect here, flex. Okay, and justify content, it should be space around. You can see, yeah, that's it. And align items at center. Yeah, no change there. Okay, now we will style our button 1 and button 4. Okay, button 1, button okay, sorry, dot button 4. Okay, I hope you can see this thing, or should I increase my font? How to increase that thing? Okay, control plus control, yeah, that's it. Okay, so first of all we will give color it as orange. Okay, orange. Border should be border should be 3px. Orange. That's it. Let's see the change. Okay, you can see the colors. If you can see, I will increase the, yes, you can see with 3 pixels wide border and with orange color. Orange. Okay, let's, it was on 100%. Yeah, that's it. Okay, then we will give the border radius as border, yeah, here it is. Border radius as 0 pixels, px, whatever you say. You can see, yeah, So let's see what is the okay. Okay, so by default it is 0px. Okay, and font size 20px, and font weight, oops, 20px. Okay, and letter spacing should be 1px, and cursor should be pointed. Okay, then background color should be black. It is better to use RGB values, yeah, but I'm using black here. That's it, you can see. And padding, so now we will give the padding as 19px and 38px. Okay, then box shadow should be inset, yeah. Okay, it should be, yeah, with solid orange. Okay, and transition, will give transition as 0.7 or 8. 7 is my favorite number, but okay, all. Okay, comment down below how many of you have already watched Avenger Endgame, and please don't give spoilers. Say no to spoilers. Okay, so we'll change the border radius as 30px for button 2 and 3. We have just copy paste all the styling thing from button 1 and 4, and we have changed the border radius from 0 to 30. You can see here it is 0 and now it is 30. So let's see the effect, whatever it is, effect of a snap. Yeah, okay, so that's it. Okay, so now we will create hover effect for button 1. Okay, hover, snap, Thanos. Okay, I'm getting mad. Box shadow should be inset again with 0.05px, 50px, and orange, yeah. Okay, so we will change the border radius from 0 to 30. Okay, sorry. Okay, 30px. Okay, and we will change the font size also. Font size from 20 to 25, and font weight from, okay, what happened, guys? Okay, am I saying okay too much? I will say again. Okay, and color should be black because you cannot see without that. See, you can see it is changing its font size, font weight, and its border radius from 0 to 30. So now let's copy paste this thing for all the remaining buttons. Yeah, that's it. So button 2, it is for button 3, it is for button 4. Okay, so we will give this thing, okay, it should be 100 x with, it should be 0, and we will change the border radius from 30 to 0. Okay, so don't forget to change this from 30 to 0, this thing. Okay, yeah, and we will change this thing from 160. Okay, and this thing should be 70. 7 is my favorite number, and 70 is a multiple of 7, I guess. And again we will change the border radius from 30 to 0. Don't forget to change this thing because it is important, like Endgame. Okay, am I doing promotion of Endgame? It should be 0. Okay, and the border radius for button 4 will change from 0 to 30, so there's no need to change this thing. Oh, so let's see the change. Okay, yeah, that's it. You can see, wow, what a how effect. Okay, so you can see it is pretty beautiful. What the hell am I seeing? Cute, like Thanos. Okay, cute like Thanos. It will predict the what. So what am I saying? Okay, so that's all in this video, guys. Please give me a like for this video because I'm making this video at 1:34 in night, at night, whatever it is. So give me a like, share this thing with your friends and family and friends and Thanos. Okay, and Captain America, Thor, Iron Man. Okay, I'm getting mad now. So yeah, that's all in this video, guys. Give me a like on this video. Share this thing with your family, friends, Thanos, Gamora, Nebula, and subscribe to my channel.